Hello student, in this module I will discuss about the work of B.P. Doshi, which is the Vastushilpa Foundation or Doshi own architectural office. The Sangat Ahmedabad is made of the B.P. Doshi's own house. It is also known as the Vastushilpa Foundation. The Sangat design in this slide we show how is the plan of the Sangat and how is the studio designed by the Doshi in the architecture studio. The design was the passive design. It's not required the mechanical heating or cooling any effect in this building. Also, this building reduces the greenhouse gas emissions from the heating, cooling or mechanical ventilations and the lighting. The entire building designed with the natural ventilation. Take the advantage of natural energy flow, maintain the thermal comfort. In this slide, I will discuss the infrastructures of the Sangat or the B.P. Doshi own office building. Sangat means the moving together through the participation. That means it is the community work or the work together or with the team. It is the architect own office. Location is Talatij Road, Ahmedabad, and plan is Balkrishna Doshi. Period of construction 1979 taking 1981. And the engineer of this project is E.I. Patil or V.S. Jethwa. Site area 2346 meters square. Total built up area 585 meters square. Design concepts and features. The total design concern of the climate or temperature or the humidity or sunlight in the Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is a good well climate and extensive use of the vault. Main studio partly or below the ground, which is called the sunken window, and it is very effective for the natural ventilations or the sunlight. Very less use of the mechanical instrument or the artificial ventilations or lighting element. The special material which is used resulting in the low cost building, lot of vegetations and water body in this project, and the continuity of spaces are various the different functions are included this total planning. Use of diffuse sunlight, complete passive design, the grassy steps which is like an amphitheater or effective amphitheater, and Doshi use as the informal form. My next slide show how to constructions of a vault. The each of the vault is 3.5 cm thick and made with the RCC or reinforcement cement concrete wall. 8 cm ceramic fuses is used for the constructions of vault sites. 3.5 cm thick RCC reinforcement slab. 6 cm thick waterproofing treatment used. 1 cm thick broken china mosaic finish around the periphery of the vault. Ceramic are temperature resistant so that it is used for the natural reductions of the temperature in the total studio. The broken china mosaic also isolative and reflective surface. The broken china mosaic gives a very good texture and very eye catchy and reflect the sunlight. Many water cascade from the fountain into the series of a channel in the amphitheater area. The glass bricks or the glass brick block are used for the pedestrian path. Diffuse light in the drafting studio, which is helpful for the drawing and with the natural lighting and ventilation. Whole area is covered with the lots of natural vegetations or green. Many terracotta pot and sculpture laying in the compound. The total compound effect of a total aesthetic sense of an architect and the uses of low cost material and many green water body and entire the area and very soothing and grassy feelings. My next slide show the sections plan and how the sketch development for the building.